Today, we're jumping into the wild world of predators. We usually think of them as unstoppable hunters, but trust me, that's not always the case. Sometimes the hunter ends up the loser. Like this eagle thinking it could easily grab a chicken, but the tables turned in a way no one saw coming. Curious? Stick around to see the shocking twist. Today we're counting down 9 moments where predators failed big time. Let's dive right in. Seabirds are agile hunters, but even they can be outwitted. 2 seabirds tried to turn a lone penguin into their next meal. But the tables turned quickly when the penguin's buddy swooped in to save the day. Talk about friendship goals! The predator seabirds quickly retreated, proving that courage is sometimes all you need to survive in the wild. Snakes are notorious predators, right? But in this next clip, they're outsmarted by a chicken. That's right. 3 snakes cornered a hen, and it looked like the end was near. But instead of attacking, the snakes just sat there, paralyzed. Whether they were too full or simply too scared, we'll never know. The hen calmly walked away, leaving the snakes with their tails between their scales. Even the king of the jungle isn't invincible, especially when facing a pack of hungry hyenas. In this scene, a lioness and her cub are surrounded by a gang of hyenas, ready to attack. But don't underestimate a mother protecting her young. The lioness lunged at one of the hyenas, grabbing it by the neck and sending the rest of the pack into panic mode. The hyenas quickly realized they were no match for her maternal fury. And finally, one of the most surprising moments, an eagle decided to attack some chicks, thinking it had an easy meal lined up. But their mother had other plans. The chicken went into full beast mode, pecking and biting at the eagle until it flew off in defeat. Who knew a chicken could take down a bird of prey? Snakes and rabbits? That's usually a one-sided fight, right? Well, think again. In this clip, a baby rabbit was on the brink of becoming lunch for a snake until the rabbit's mother launched a surprise counterattack. Like a superhero swooping in to save the day, the mother rabbit charged at the snake with unmatched ferocity. The confused snake didn't know what hit it, and the baby rabbit made its great escape. You gotta love a parent's protective instinct. Squirrels may seem cute and harmless, but this next clip shows they can be fierce when necessary. A snake thought it had found an easy target, but what it didn't expect was a gang of squirrels ambushing it. The squirrels bit and scratched the snake until it was forced to retreat into the bushes. Teamwork makes the dream work, even in the animal kingdom. A puma known for being a fearsome predator was stunned when a much smaller lynx decided to stand its ground. The lynx charged at the puma with so much confidence that the bigger cat decided it wasn't worth the fight and backed off. Sometimes, size doesn't matter when you've got attitude. Man's best friend can sometimes bite off more than they can chew literally. Here, a dog thought it could take on a kangaroo by jumping into a lake to attack. But the kangaroo wasn't having it. With some swift kicks and punches, the kangaroo stunned the dog, leaving it second-guessing its life choices. Morale of the story? Don't mess with a kangaroo in its own element. Crocodiles are known for their stealth and deadly ambushes, right? But this time, it wasn't so easy. Picture this, a deer calmly drinking by the lake, unaware of the lurking danger. A massive crocodile bursts out of the water, jaws wide open, ready to feast. But to everyone's surprise, the deer pulls off a ninja-like escape, dodging the croc's deadly bite in a way that would make an action movie star proud. Quick thinking and agility saved the day here, folks. Not all battles happen in the ocean. In city skylines, seagulls and pigeons often clash over territory and food. While pigeons might seem like easy prey, some unexpected twists await. Pigeons may be smaller, but they can surprise us with their boldness. In a stunning act of defiance, this pigeon fends off multiple seagulls, showing that size isn't everything when it comes to survival. These air battles remind us that nature is unpredictable, and even the smallest creatures can rise to the challenge. In one of the most intense survival battles, a seagull faces off against a persistent predator, the weasel. Known for its fierce hunting skills, the weasel is relentless in its attempt to bring down the seagull, even trying to drag it underwater. It's a life-or-death struggle, as the seagull fights with every ounce of its strength to escape the weasel's grasp. Will the resilient seagull prevail, or will the weasel claim victory? Seagulls can be bold, sometimes too bold. In this underwater clash, a seagull decides to take on one of the ocean's most intelligent creatures, the octopus. But it's no easy prey. With its lightning-fast reflexes and powerful tentacles, the octopus puts up a fierce fight. This battle isn't looking good for our feathered friend. But seagulls are nothing if not survivors. Across the water, another gull makes a clever move, outsmarting a smaller octopus and securing its meal. Even when the odds seem stacked against them, seagulls always find a way to adapt and thrive. Seagulls have a wide-ranging palate, and starfish are definitely on the menu. Here, a lone seagull relishes its feast. But peace doesn't last long in the wild. In nature, a quiet meal can quickly turn into a chaotic food fight. Seagulls aren't just opportunistic hunters, they're also fierce competitors. As more birds arrive, the battle for the starfish begins. A feeding frenzy ensues, proving that even seagulls can't resist the lure of a free meal. So there you have it, 9 jaw-dropping moments where predators failed in their mission. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode of amazing animal moments. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care and stay curious.